Ma'am, it's your first win after your marriage, so how special is this one? And this is very.
Yeah, I think I'm very happy starting off the year and the first tournament. So and the first win, I'm very happy. I think in the second game it was important for me to get that win because I was trailing, but then I had that confidence and I never gave up. And I think Revansha sitting behind me for the first time, and I hope overall it went on really well. And I'm very thankful to the fans because they've been amazing. Each and every point, even though I was trailing, they were like, never give up, fight until the last point. So I think I'm very thankful to them.
Sindhu, what was the message at 4-11 down in the mid-game interval? What were the
I think he just told me that, to just relax and be patient and keep fighting for every point. It's fine, it doesn't matter. It's the first game after, I think, almost 1 month. And he was like, just play easy, just be very patient, you will get it. That's what he said. There was no much of a strategy per se. Because I was already playing well, it was just that simple errors or, my stroke play going to the mid-court, that was all.
Sindhu, tell me something about the camaraderie with the Yuvan sir.
We just started training together, and I think it's very important. The bond is very important between a coach and a player. So, I mean, it will definitely take time to understand, what he's thinking or what I'm thinking, and accordingly he needs to give me the input from outside. So, I mean, it is taking time, definitely yes, but I think it's going on well. Good start for the season, I would say, for the year.
You last couple of years have been a struggle, and you've gone through a series of coaches trying to find the lost form. Going by that, how do you see the first match here, the first tournament, the first interactions with the new coach? How's it been?
It's been pretty good. I mean, we've trained, I think, for 1.5 weeks, max to max. We didn't get much time, and I think apart from that, there were lots of ups and downs last year, but I think I ended off with a good win, and I think that gave me the confidence, and I feel it's just a matter of time and rhythm, and I am getting back there, so I think it should be good. I mean, it doesn't matter, if you win or lose. It's very important that you give your 100% at the end of the day. If you work hard, definitely you will get success and wins.
The first game, few errors started to creep in. Did you think it carried out in the next game? That's why you were struggling? Was it because of the rhythm?
I don't think so. I mean, I think second game it was more of, I was, giving to the mid-court, even though, because my coach was telling that, my strokes were going mid-court or my strokes were going into a hand. I think that's what he told me, and I think it did not carry. I mean, I feel it didn't carry that way, but I think overall it was just that, those simple errors where I had to be a little more cautious to make sure the shuttle went back.
In the last few rallies, the pace of it, the length of it, how these are able to come up with and then see the game.
I think 20 all or 18, 17, 18 all and 19 all, I think that's when the game is very important, and it was very intense. She was also making sure that, she plays everything into the court, and there were long rallies, and for me also it was important, to attack, because she was also trying to keep the shuttle down, not giving me to attack. So I think the game that way became faster, and I think after 20 all it was anybody's game. So for me, I wanted to, make sure I attack and then just carry on to the net.
It's important to finish it in 2 games and not take it.
Yeah, I think definitely yes. Everybody would want that to finish in 2 sets, because third set is an unnecessary energy, and then you get tensed. Automatically, even though you want to play well, unforced errors happen. That is tend to happen because it's the first game, and I'm sure even for her it's the same. So obviously I wanted to finish it off in the straight 2 sets so that I get much more rest for the next match.
Back in 2023, you already defeated her once during US Open and in the States game. So how was the experience this time overall? Did she play better or after setting break?
I think definitely yes, after a certain break everybody would have that, it's the first tournament when you're playing, there are unforced errors. It will take some time to get used to the courts, used to the shuttles. So I think overall it is more of the, how you manage accordingly. Even though you have bad days, you accordingly should manage and make sure, you be alert on the court and be prepared for every shuttle. Yeah, I mean, if I'm not wrong, even she plays doubles as well. So even though if it's her first tournament, I think it was important for me to just play my game and do my best.
Thank you. Best of luck for the next match.
Thanks.
And ma'am, that I looks.
They were shouting each and every point, even though I was trailing. They were like, "Never mind, never give up." I think very thankful to them, and I think overall it was a good start for me.
How crucial was the support?
I mean, obviously, crucial in the sense from starting point they were supporting. I think it kind of gave me that boost and confidence. So I hope it continues.
And what would the
Oh yeah, it's yeah, something cool, something different. It's just a Puma. So I just tried something new. It's a new attire, so it's yeah, new bag, new jacket.
thanks, all the best.
Thank you.
Great win.
That's very